Well, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you are new here, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate for you coming here every day to watch my video. So guys, you can see I'm coming live from the village. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook the maize, but I'm going to remove the skin using soda ash. So guys, let's remove it together. So guys, the first thing, I'm going to make sure that the maize is clean. So I'm going to put in this dressing. So guys, this is the ash, but the first thing I need to remove these ones here. So guys, you can see this is how it looks like now. So this is the mixture of ash and maize. The ash it helps to remove the outer skin of the maize, so that it can be soft when you eat. So guys, I'm going to put it on fire. So I'm going to leave it off. I am going to leave it on fire for some hours, then I will show you the process of removing the skin. Okay guys, so this is beans. I'm going to soak, then I will cook it differently, then we will add it to the maize later after we have removed the skin. Okay guys, so the maize is ready. Let's go and remove the outer skin now. So guys, this is how I'm going to do so that I can remove the skin. I'm going to do this for some minutes. Guys, so now I'm going to take it back to the fire, then I'll cook it for 20 minutes, then for 20 minutes. So guys, I'm going to rub it for the second time so that I can remove the skin properly. Okay, so you can see this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm going to put on the fire for the last time, then I will add beans. So guys, this is the last process. I'm sorry if the video is not clear, but it's raining outside. So this process, I'm going to add the beans, then it will cook for some time. Yeah. Then it as this is our beans, now I'm going to mix it with the maize. Then I'm going to mix. So guys, I'm going to add some water then and I will let it to boil for some time. This is our githeri now, mixture of beans and maize. I want to fry. So guys, I'm going to add salt to make it taste. So guys, finally this is our githeri. So I'm going to wait for 5 minutes, then I will serve it for my family. So guys, this our food is ready. So guys, this food is so delicious. If you're coming from the village, you can try to cook mixture of maize and beans, but the first thing you need to use ash to remove the skin of the maize. Yeah. So if you like this video, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you have on this video. It's your girl Amal. Bye bye.